Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be good and doing well. It is the month of Ramadan and I hope you all are offering your prayers and reciting Holy Quran. Besides this, you also have to prepare yourself for the written assessment test which will held after Eid holidays inshallah. Selective syllabus for the written assessment test include chapter number 8 from your reader, that is Oliver Twist. You have to learn its word meaning, question answers and worksheet. The other two topics, antonyms and adverbs, are from your workbook. You already have done these topics in your classroom. Now we will just take a quick review about these topics one by one. The first topic is antonyms. What are antonyms? Words that are opposite in meanings are called antonyms. Examples: light. The antonym word for the light is heavy. Antonym word for the day is night. Antonym word for the right is wrong. An antonym changes the meaning of a word or a sentence. Okay, we have seen how does it changes the meaning of a word. Now we will see how antonym changes the meaning of a sentence. Okay, in this example, the box is empty and useless. The antonym word for the empty is full and for useless is useful. So the antonym sentence will be, this box is full and useful. Let's see another example. It's a sunny day and we are feeling very hot. The antonym word for sunny day is cloudy day and hot is cold. So the antonym sentence will be like this: it's a cloudy day and we are feeling very cold. Now there is antonym activity which is also present in your workbook, page number 57. We have already done this activity in our classroom and now you are going to revise this activity with me. You just have to change the word into its antonym word, right? Okay, the surface is smooth, the surface is rough. He is well, he is unwell. Your answer is accurate, your answer is inaccurate. The room is bright, the room is dull. I never finish my work in time, I always finish my work in time. It's an ancient art, it's a modern art. I want this pair of pants in large size, I want this pair of pants in small size. He walked through a narrow road, he walked through a wide road. Tie your laces, untie your laces. I was honest, I was dishonest. You have seen in these examples or in these sentences how the antonym word is changing, the meaning of a sentence, right? I hope now you will be more clear about the concept of the antonyms. Right now, let's move to another topic, which is adverbs. Adverbs are the words that describe the action words, right? They describes the action words or action verbs. Okay, first is the example number 1. I ate my dinner quickly. Now quickly tells us how the action happens. Quickly describes the action word which is ate. So quickly is an adverb. In example number 2, Sam sees many puppies outside. Outside tells us where the action happens. Okay, outside describes the action word, that is sees. So outside is an adverb. Example number 3, my father came home early. Here early tells us when the action happens. So the early describes the action word which is came. In this way, early is an adverb. So, adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. And we have also seen in last three examples that adverb tells how, where and when an action happens. There is example of some adverbs like daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc. These are the example of some adverbs. Okay, you have got the concept. Adverbs describe verb, whereas adjective describes noun. Right? You don't have to confuse between these two words. Okay, the example, I ate a heavy meal. Here heavy describes the noun which is meal, so heavy is an adjective. Why heavy is an adjective? Because it describes the noun which is meal. Sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. The dress is elegant. Right? Here elegant is an adjective because it describes the noun which is dress. She dresses elegantly. Elegantly is adverb because it describes the verb which is dresses. Right? So you see how adjective is converted into adverb simply by adding ly in the last of this word elegant. Right? After adding ly to the elegant, this word is converted into elegantly. Right? Okay, now here are some examples of formation of adverbs from adjectives. Right? The word adjective is nice, and we can form this nice word into adverb by adding ly into this. Right? Okay. Nice is an adjective and its adverb will be nicely. Likewise, brave, bravely, soft, softly, polite, politely, loud, loudly, easy, easily. So these are the words. These are the adjective words. Right? After adding ly, we have transformed them into adverbs. Right? So this was all about adverbs. I hope you will be more clear about these topics. Okay? So prepare well these topics for your upcoming assessment test. Best of luck for your test. We will meet soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.